Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, scroll from the top, and we need to find the mobile data, disable it and enable back on. Go into the mobile data settings and here disable mobile data. Now, right here on the bottom of your phone, you can find the SIM card slot. In this hole, insert something long and thin, for example a needle, and push it. You can see that it pops right here, and we have our SIM card. So now take a microfiber, for example, to just gently brush this golden side. And after that, just reinsert it into your phone. Now unlock, and in mobile data, enable it once again. And if you still have any issues, then restart your phone and contact carrier to verify data plan. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.